Hi, I want to talk to you about reading accuracy. Good readers, when they are reading a book that is right at their level or even easy for them, they should be reading words with 97 to 100% accuracy. And I often refer to that as hitting the bullseye. They're getting it exactly perfect. Um, Sometimes when students get stuck and they're not hitting the bullseye, there are two strategies I often encourage students to do. And for the first one, I talk about a magnifying glass because I really want kids to focus in on the word and I want them to make sure that they're like detectives checking it out. And the first thing I often say as a teacher to students is, what's the first letter? Or can you check that first sound? After they get the first letter correct, I often really encourage them to go sound by sound. Sometimes I even cover up parts of the words. They're forced to only say the sound I want them to say. Many times students guess at a word over and over again, and they're just guessing based on the first letter or first couple letters, and I want them to analyze every part of a word like a detective. So after they have checked the word and sounded everything out, if it still doesn't make sense, if it's still not hitting the bullseye, I often encourage them to try another sound, especially for vowels. Most vowels have more than one sound, so I want them to try another sound.